Beach time!
Happy kids! Kita mau ke pantai karena hari ini sangat cerah. Anginnya nggak banyak dan yang ngajakin dia. My first time ever going to the beach. I've always wanted, but I don't have a bike, so I don't know if I should walk there because I'm too lazy. Now it's a good day, and he's asking me to come to the beach with him. Yay!
Beach time!
Happy kids! He's so happy because today is so sunny.
Yeah, sun is life.
Sun is life. Samuel! Hi!
Hey, we are at the beach with an unknown name.
With an unknown name. You're welcome.
Oh, look at the birds.
Chillin'.
Wow! Who's coming?
Pictures.
Let me check again. What do you say? Apple.
So we're waiting for... No, yeah. We're waiting for his beverages.
Ours. Apple tarts. How's my apple tarts?
With a
In
few.
Luxembourg, it's 5%.
Apple tart. I always have this thing for beach. Like no matter how hot it is.
Okay, with the sun, that's not.
Yeah, the sun is like backlight. Ooh.
Okay, let's just.
Hello. They're joining us
Yeah,
for our
they're
little
supposed-
little sweet treats.
It's not for you.
Oh, he's being protective with his foods. It's not for you.
No, that's really not. Wow.
It's good. Your face.
They say it's like one of the best here in the North Sea. This is really good.
And you're saving the best for the last.
Oh, that's why I don't like it so much.
It's okay.
First.
Oh, his first.
Yeah, first album.
Yeah.
Dollars gonna make the first move.